Guys, please, if you have the capacity to help right now, for those people who in needs help, please do help them. Sa mga kababayan kong Pilipino, if you have something or if you have extra money, please do help the people who needs help. Hello, Jason. Kasi kawawa naman sila. Kawawa naman yung mga nasasalanta ng bagyo ngayon. That's why rainy season is not for everyone. Do you agree, guys? Rainy season is not for everyone. Thank you, Jay. Hello, Ashley. Hello, Humble. Hello, everyone. Ulitin ko to. Hi, Humble. Loki, hello, Loki. Baby love, hello. Yes, don't need no one but you. Hi, 143 forever. Hi, Dominic. Hi, FR. I'm kumusta po kayo? I'm doing good.